Hi, my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini Show to Place Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pasta, not with the cream sauce but with Szechuan sauce and shrimp paste. It's very quick, very easy shrimp paste, and this Szechuan sauce you always can buy at the Asian groceries here in Canada. So let's see how I'm doing it. Here I'm putting my hot water and let it boil, and I'm adding salt and add your broccoli to blanch for a minute. I love to blanch broccoli always, then it gives a beautiful green color to this broccoli. After a minute, remove it from the water and then give a nice cold water bath. All my greens, usually before I cook, I always blanch them in hot water and then wash it to get that beautiful color. And boil your pasta according to the packet instructions and give it a bath too with cold water and set aside. And I'm boiling my carrots here just for 2 minutes. These are the main ingredients I'm using: Szechuan sauce, capers and shrimp paste. So my pot here, I'm going to add some oil here, about 2 spoons of oil. You can add olive oil, but I like to add just canola oil. And I'm going to put my garlic and garlic and jalapeno. So I put on quarter jalapeno here with the garlic. I mince nicely, and I add 1 tablespoonful of Szechuan sauce here. You can increase the Szechuan sauce if you want more spicy, but here I'm going to share with one of my friends today. She's not feeling well, so I don't want to put too much of spice here. Here, this is actually a shrimp paste, around teaspoon shrimp paste. Like anchovy paste, there is shrimp paste also. It's also giving very beautiful taste to the dish. And also some capers, about a teaspoonful of capers. Let it fry in the oil for a minute, and we are adding our pasta here now. Fry it in the oil for a few minutes, maybe for 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, like that. Let it cook nicely let it get absorb all that Szechuan sauce and everything to the pasta. Here I'm adding all my vegetables now: blanched broccoli and boiled carrot. I boiled for around 2 minutes, like that, not too long, just for 2 minutes, just to get a little, because it's too hard, I see. So that's why because I'm not cooking too long here, it's very quick, so that's why I boiled my carrot separate. Here, this is a very easy, simple, delicious meal, very quick, won't take much time. And I'm going to add my tomato here now. Mix it well. This is all. If you want, you can add some soya sauce here. I'm going to add a little bit of soya sauce here. I'm not adding any salt because the shrimp paste I add, there is some salt in that also. I don't add too much salt to this. This is my beautiful pasta with vegetables. Give it a try. Let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye to everybody.